Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the volume does not contain a recognized file system error without formatting or losing data. First find drive letter. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type chkdsk space, /fpace, /x space, /r space, =n. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.